if you're curious about Amaro and you like whiskey, or if you're just curious about Amaro and whether you would like this Amaro Nonino, I encourage you to stay tuned because we're going to talk about it and it's so delicious. Monte the Amaro Cat is here for the filming of this video. Fantastic. All right, Amaro Nonino. It's another gateway Amaro. I call it a gateway Amaro. Well, so while some Amari are for beginners and others appeal to like different types of drinkers, this guy, which I'll have to move away from Monte the Amaro Cat, this one can bring whiskey drinkers into the category, in my opinion, because it has a lot of characteristics that will resonate with a whiskey drinker. So while some Amaro bring while some Amaro are just great starters, right? Or I think this is a good beginner Amaro. This one will bring whiskey drinkers into the category. Nonino starts with grappa as its base, and then it's infused with a secret blend of botanicals, like most Amari. Like everybody's got a secret recipe. Gentian root, licorice, saffron, rhubarb with some oranges. I think those are a few of the things they use to infuse the liquor. The orange influence really comes through in terms of like when I taste this. This is aged for 12 months in oak barrels. So there's sort of the whiskey link and you can kind of see the parallels. Now, the Nonino Distillery was established in 1897 and the Nonino family invented this drink around 1992, I believe, per my research. The business is now run by Christina, Antonella, and Elisabetta Nonino. So, if you like to support women-led businesses, this one qualifies. If you like to support family-owned businesses, multi-generation family-owned businesses, we should support Amaro Nonino. Tasting notes that you may hear will include like orange zest and caramel and herbs, but I think we should really taste this right now to find out for ourselves. You notice I have a pour spout on this because this is something that I drink regularly, and it's something that also appears in cocktails. So having a pour spout is very helpful for doing some measuring. So there's some honey in here. There's almost a little something tropical. You get the orange zest, like super orange zest, orange peel. I get a bit of mango and a little bit of vanilla. So now I usually drink this neat, and I will in a second, but it's amazing in cocktails. Mr. Amaro Montenegro, Count Amaro Montenegro III of Providence, please get out of here. All right. Now, if you've heard of the paper plane, so Amaro Nonino, super in a cocktail. I know the Amaro police will come at me, but if you've heard of the paper plane, then if you've had a paper plane, you've had a cocktail with Amaro Nonino in it. There are some others to take a look at, right? The busted pipe, the broken plane, which is an elderflower take on the paper plane, or just use it in place of Aperol in a spritz. But that's for you if you're a little bit more of a high roller, because this is about $50 for this bottle, and it might not be something you want to put in your spritzes because then it'll go fast and you'll have to restock it. So like I was saying, the orange zest, the orange peel it comes to the forefront for me. I am getting some mango notes. I'm getting a little vanilla. There's it's just that perfumed citrus more than anything else. Let's give it a taste. I don't know. Eddie's making he's doing an audition to be the second Amaro Cat. The palate on this one is just it's so delicious. It's a perfect combination of like orangey goodness and some caramel sweetness. The vanilla is there. It's just super easy to sip on. I'm sipping out of my Spiegelau bourbon glasses. My favorite glasses for bourbon, whiskey, Amaro, certainly Amaro. I'll put a link in the description. You got to get yourself a 4-pack. And hey, if you use the link, it'll help the channel. But I think when we're talking about Amaro and you really want to get something that is going to be a bit of a crowd pleaser, I think it's pretty good for beginners. It's great for whiskey drinkers. It's so good in a paper plane, so good in a spritz. I think you got to get out and get some Nonino. I'd love to know if you have had any experience with Nonino, how you like to use it, and we're going to keep the Amaro videos coming. The cats are throwing me off tonight, but they're fantastic. All right, Eddie's sniffing the Amaro. He likes the bouquet. I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers.